Hi guys, today I want to show you how you can initiate building links for your website. Besides making content for your website or blog or whatever content that you have and you want to rank on Google, Google needs to know that you are a site that they can trust. The only way for the algorithm to know that they can trust you is so that you have other websites linking towards your websites. Okay, so let me show you. Now, this is probably going to be a very bad drawing, but let me explain. So this is your website, okay? Now, in order for you to rank, right, content is one of them, right? The second thing that you need are actually backlinks, okay? Why do you need backlinks? Is because Google needs to understand that you're a real website, that other websites are trusting you. So when they trust you, you will trigger the algorithm to rank your website higher in the SERPs, okay? So you have position 1, position 2 and whatnot. This is you. As you build more trust towards your website, where other websites are linking to you, your website will rank higher in the SERPs, okay? So how are we going to build these backlinks, right? So you need to have websites linking to your websites, right? So eventually your website will go higher. Now, how are we going to know whether or not these links are good quality and relatable? Okay, so what I mean by this is if you're building a niche website around pets, for example, you want to be having websites that are also talking about pets in a way and asking them to link back to you. All right, so this is what you call relative backlinks. But before we go into this, you need to be able to build links via everything else, such as using Facebook, okay, using LinkedIn, right? You need to have all these entities to link back to you so that the algorithm can say, okay, it's an actual person talking about whatever the niche they're talking about, whether it's marketing, whether it's SEO, whether it's content creation, sustainability, any business you want to talk about, you need to have all these social profile links to connect back to you, okay? Which is why it is always recommended to build your social media profiles. It doesn't have to be thousands of followers, no, you just gotta have some kind of following, okay? It doesn't have to be hundreds of thousands, it doesn't matter. You just need to build those links to come back to your website and come back to you as an entity. You have to imagine you as a business, you are the entire thing. You are not just your website, you are webs crawling back to you to signify to Google that you are a real entity, a real business, all right? So building these links is what you call foundational links, right? Now, you can always look in other websites and services that can build these things for you. You can look at India, you can pay $5, they can build all these links for you, all right? So let me show you how we built it for our website. Now, this is for our agency, it's called Blackstone, Sarawak. I asked the service provider to build these links for me, okay? So as you can see, if you type in whatever your business name is, and you type in profiles, you can see all these links are already being built, okay? You can use incognito and you can access to see that all these links are actually indexed in Google. Eventually, it will build all this web linking back to your websites, all right? And from there, you can see slowly but surely your website will start to rank higher. Now, you have to remember these are foundational links, okay? They are not 100% related to your business niche. These are just kind of like what you call foundations, right? So if I do a new drawing here, so you have a pyramid. So eventually in SEO, we have to categorize links based on their profiles. So you have foundational links, then you have guest post, and then I guess over here you can say you have your press release, which are very expensive, which are big entities like Medium or LinkedIn who actually link back to you, right? Now, to get those links is very expensive. There's no way for you to get around that. There are other black hat stuff, but I'm not going to talk anything about that in this video. We are actually building here. We're not talking about this yet. Not yet. Maybe I'll put it in another video, but eventually you still need to build your foundational links, okay? So when you build any website, content is not enough. You need to have backlinks pointing back to your website. So I hope this video is helpful, and this will structure a way that you can think about how you're going to rank in Google and how you're going to put yourself out there, especially if you're an online business, you're a serious business, you're not mucking around, and you're looking for customers online, right? Thank you guys.